2, 1.
Hi, sorry it takes a long time. We go to the Halloween and bought our Halloween costumes, and it was pretty spooky, and I was like pretty scared of it. But let's see how this works.
So what kind of things can it do? Oh yeah, look, it's pretty fast.
Like paint straight at us, I can just like turn it like that. Very easy. It has a
Well, and you can go backwards too. Whoa, that was awesome.
And you see, it can go up in the air.
It doesn't like the grass too much though, hey?
I'm going to pick it up.
Okay. Okay. All right. So where did you get this remote control car again? From Mommy and Daddy, right? And we got it from Laugh and Learn because Laugh and Learn was selling them, so it was 25% off. So we were able to buy Gage a really cool remote control car because we've had a lot of the $20 jobs that do not last. And so far this one's pretty good. Getting dizzy though, getting dizzy. Wow.
Oh, Dad.
Yep.
It would be cool if they like make like a roller coaster or like that had this.
Okay, do you want to say anything else to your viewers before you sign off?
Alright guys.
Okay, so say, okay, look at the camera and say, okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
This is Gage Page.
Hey, this is Gage Page. Bye.